we already seen anti-Markovnikov rule, that is a peroxide effect, that is a Karst effect. Then one question arises, why this anti-Markovnikov rule or peroxide effect is observed only in case of HBr and not why not in HF, HCl and HI. Let us see here. Dear students, these are HX bonds and their bond enthalpies. HF bond, HCl, HBr and HI bond. We know that atomic and ionic size increases from top to the bottom in group. Fluorine has smaller size, iodine has larger size. Hydrogen is common. HF bond is short bond and hence strong bond and hence has the highest bond enthalpy. HI bond is a weak bond because it is long bond and its a bond enthalpy is a less. Then why only HBr shows peroxide effect and why not HF, HCl and HI? Let us see. In case of HF and HCl, the bond enthalpies are very high and peroxide does not dissociate, unable to break this HF bond and HCl bond because bond enthalpies are high. Therefore, phenyl radical is a form we know in peroxide effect in its mechanism. This a phenyl free radical doesn't dissociate, doesn't break this HF bond and HCl bond because of their high values of bond enthalpies. HBr bond enthalpy low and this phenyl free radical dissociates this HBr bond into benzene and a bromine free radical is a formed. Then now let us see very interesting case. HI bond is a weak bond, long bond. Its a bond enthalpy is a very low and this phenyl free radical is able to break this HI bond to give benzene, no doubt, to give iodine free radical also. But this iodine free radical form, instead of reacting with carbon-carbon double bond, this iodine free radical combine with each other to form free iodine. Now what is here regarding iodine? No doubt HI bond is dissociated by this phenyl radical. But phenyl radical form, but this phenyl free radical react with another iodine free radical to produce free iodine. And remember, that's why peroxide effect is shown only in case of HBr and not in case of HCl, not in case of HF and HI. And that's why addition of HBr to unsymmetrical alkene follows anti-Markovnikov's rule. This is abnormal addition, not normal addition. Then let us see third method of the preparation of alkyl bromide. Then I mentioned earlier the stability of trihalides and pentahalides of a phosphorus. Phosphorus tribromide less stable, but in mixture form, red phosphorus, liquid bromine and alcohol reacts together and this reaction takes place. We get here alkyl bromide. The side product is a phosphorus acid. This is the example. Ethanol reacts with a phosphorus tribromide to give ethyl bromide.